Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Deanna. Don't forget to go down there and hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. And give me a comment below what you thought of my video. So today for you, I have Doorable openings. I've been watching so many Doorable videos. I had to get my hands on more Doorables. So these are Doorables Series 7. I have 5 of those. I also have, oh my gosh, okay. I'm I'm just gonna start with these and open this up. Okay. I just realized something that I bought oh, wait a minute. Okay, that's Series 7. I bought a whole bunch of these, but I just realized that this is a Series 7 and the other ones I bought are Series 6. And I did not want to buy Series 6 because my friend had her duplicate Series 6 says put aside for me. What a big dope. Okay, the first one I'm going to open. So in these, okay, these cost $3.99 at my Target. There are 50 total to collect. And in here, I believe you'll have 2 or 3 Doorables, okay? It just depends. Okay, so you open it up, it looks like that. The doors come open. Here is the sheet with all the Doorables that are a possibility for this series. Okay, they also have a color reveal. So if you get a white one, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to run it underwater and the white paint will come off and it'll reveal one of these. Okay. So in here, I've got two packages. Let me see what the first one is. Okay. Now, I believe this is a duplicate because I already have him, the Carl. Couldn't think of his name. Carl. Okay, I already have Coral. Let's see what this one is. Oh, yes, I wanted her. I needed her. I forgot her name, but she's from Beauty and the Beast. Isn't she cute? She is Lumiere's girlfriend. So I can cross her off my list. Okay, for the second one. Got my handy dandy scissors here. My friend in Canada, Ginger, I'm gonna give her another shout out. She'll be happy to see that I'm not using my teeth. So you open up the doors to reveal. Oh, I opened it up backwards. Doesn't matter, just pull it out from the back. Oh, no, the front popped open. Okay. So I got 2 again. I hope they're not duplicates. Okay, Princess Tiana. Now, I do have a Princess Tiana, so she is a duplicate. But I always do trades with my friend Monica in Arkansas. Okay, this is also a duplicate. I forgot his name. He's from The Incredibles. Okay. These are so exciting until you open them and, like, you got them already. And then it's kind of like you're deflated. Okay. Here is my third Doorable. So I didn't get any of the white ones yet. And, ooh, this one I got 3. Okay, I got 3 bags. Let's see what I got in here. I think I already have this one. Oops, this is not turning out well. I think I already have this one, and I believe this one is Prince Naveen. So I will see if my friend Monica wants it. Other than that, I could do tradesies with someone. Oh, I got Doug. Boy, he looks cute. Look at Doug. Never looks so good. Okay, perfect. So let me do the ones that, okay, so far I only have 2 that I don't have any already. Okay, this one, I think I have her. What is her name again? Is it Disgust? I'm a little disgusted that I keep getting this duplicates. But hey, that's what happens with these blind boxes, right? It's like a form of gambling. You take a risk. I'm glad these are only $3.99. Okay, come on. Let me have something different. Let me have something different. Okay. This one only has 2 inside. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Why can't I think of his name? He's from Up. It'll come to me. Okay, this next one, please be something new. Nope, not something new. I have this one, Belle's dad. Okay. So far, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 ones that I already have and 3 that I didn't. So was it worth spending the money? If you collect it, I guess it is. Now, my friend Monica, she is the one that I believe turned me on to these doorables, which is fine. Everybody needs a hobby. In a future video, I have something planned. I'm going to show you how I display my doorables. Oh, look. Look, look, look. Look. I can't remember his name. Why can't I remember his name? Dr. Facilier? Dr. Facilier. Oh, I remembered. Okay. Next one. Oh, I think this is Joy. I got Joy. Okay, so I think I made a mistake. I don't think in these, no, maybe you do. I don't know if you get the white ones in here, but I'm gonna see if I have it in here, okay? Let me open this up. Oops. So on the package here, this was $11.99. It says find the, oh yeah, okay. So on this one, on these big packs is where you see it says here, special edition. This is where you find the color reveal, okay? And in here you can have 5, 6, or 7 doorables. Let's see what I got. I forgot how you open this. Oh, here from the side. Let's see what I got. I got 5. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully these are ones I don't have. Oh, I don't have this one. I forgot her name. Gosh, do I know anyone's name? Sadness. So I have sadness, joy, and disgust so far. I just need anger and fear. Okay. Open the next doorable. Oh, got another Carl. So he's a tradesies. Come on, something new. Oh, see, I can't remember anybody's name. Hold on, you're gonna like this one, guys. Louis. It's Louis, guys. Louis with his trombone. Okay, he goes down there with the ones I don't have. Okay, come on, Series 7. Oh, I got the father from The Incredibles, and his name is, hello, Mr. Incredible. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, so far I've got 3, 6, 7, 8 ones that I didn't have, and 7 that I did. So can we make it 9? Can we make it 9? Okay, this is one of the color reveals that I was telling you about. Okay, so this color reveal, obviously it's Aurora. And then you have to see if Aurora is in her blue dress or is she in her pink dress. So do you see her right there? And the only way I can do that is by using water, and you wash it off. But I just to kind of reveal a little bit, I just scraped it off with my fingernail, and it's going to be Aurora in her pink dress. So I am pretty happy about that. In fact, I'm very happy. Okay. Anyway, guys, that is my video. So I do have an extra Carl. And I do have, I think that was it, because probably the rest of these I'll give to my friend Monica. Or my friend Ginger, if Ginger sees any that she likes. Anyway, hope everybody is having a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.